right in front of me is Singapore. So here is the crab, here is a fish. Hello friends, so welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Batam, Indonesia, and I wake up little late because last night I go out with my colleagues and friends in the Batam center. It was very nice. Now here time is like 9 o'clock and I came here for breakfast. So here what will be the options we will have, like we will have chicken, some omelette. This is their traditional food. I forget what is the name. Some bakery items. So as I am living in Batam Haris hotels, so this is the apartments, and if we live here, this is called hotel, and it's very nice. Today my plan is to go to see the sunset in Harbour, which is very famous in Batam. I see many videos, it's amazing. So today I will do some rest in the daytime, and in the evening I will go to Harbour and see the sunset, and I will share with you. So let's start our video and let me finish my breakfast. From Haris Hotel to Batam Harbour is like 10 kilometers away and about 20 minutes ride by taxi. So on my right side there are all the restaurants if you want to eat some food or have a dinner. And if we go more on the back side, there are many famous hotels like Marriott, Sheraton, and all the hotels. So let's walk and see what are the other places here to see. It's a very beautiful place. People are sitting, and all the big ships are here. So the famous thing for this area is here I am sitting is Indonesia, Batam, and right in front of me is Singapore. So maybe just by 10 miles or 20 miles away, we can see Singapore. So families are sitting and enjoying. Today weather is very good. Now we came to the Vivi restaurant. It's famous for seafood. Like I can show you, there are all the like fishes, crabs, and we can have a live barbecue. Today my colleagues came here, so now I am going for a dinner with them. From here we will have a very beautiful view of the sea. Hello, Pa. So if you want live cooking, so there are fresh fishes. So they have all type of fish, like palm and river fishes also. Crab. Why is so angry? So fresh crab are ready for you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello everyone.
Pak Jesse, Pak Ridham,
Hi.
Pak Jesse, Pak Berlian.
Enjoy.
什么？
tourist，他有一个有两个 tourist from Pakistan。他可能地下案。
Yes.
他买了。
You buy DJ?
Yes, DJ.
When you bought this？
From Dubai.
Dubai。哎，这个。我吃不完，我吃不完。还有。Yeah, hello. So now they are taking more photos and memory.
Yes. So here is the crab. Here is a fish. So now we are going to eat some seashell.
Maybe hard to eat.
Yeah.
我靠，还有那个预算，还有那个 DJI 大帐啊，那有点贵哦。对哦，贵哦。这是什么型号的？不知道。
Very difficult. First time I grab very easily.
So you have to put in the deepest. 这是 pocket 的吧？它是 action。Is action or pocket? Action or pocket?
Action.
Action 4。
Yes. So
我 action 4比较便宜，1000多，
wait.
人民币1000多。那还好。pocket 贵一点。 也是呀，我还说觉得不是，吃完了。One more， wait， 2 minutes。A fresh new fish。
What is the name in local language?
This one?
Hmm.
I don't know.
Gong gong.
Nếu Lúc nào đêm Đó là khả đấy
롱공.
Hong
뭐냐?
어원
기자 롱공. 롱공. 오늘 미국이야.
I hope you like the video. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.